Transform your WordPress site into a career hub with this step-by-step guide to designing a stunning and functional job board. First, we'll set the foundation by creating a custom post type for your job listings. This organizes your content and ensures each job has its own dedicated space, just like creating a new category for different types of posts. Once that's in place, we'll design the layout for your job listings. Think of it as building the blueprint for each individual job ad, deciding how the title, description, location, and other crucial details will be presented to job seekers. Now, let's make it user-friendly. We'll implement powerful search and filter functionalities. This is like adding a smart assistant to your job board, allowing visitors to quickly find exactly what they're looking for by location, job type, or keywords. Finally, we'll tie it all together by creating the main job board page. This is where all your individual job listings will be showcased in a clear and attractive grid or list format, making it easy for career seekers to browse opportunities. With these steps, you'll create a valuable resource for job seekers and elevate your WordPress website's functionality. Get ready to make your site the go-to destination for career opportunities.